Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Nougat. Well, I haven't been for a week on my food. I haven't been there for a week. I don't care if I haven't been a week. So today, guess what? What the lucky day is? Today is my day that I gonna emulate an old computer. So today I'm gonna be emulating the whole IBM PC at computer, which is the model 5172. So anyways, I created a new machine by using the PC EM configuration manager. I named this machine IBM PC AT 5172 the model. So let's check the details on it. Here the system, the hardware specifics. The machine is a 286 processor IBM AT. I gave it 8 megahertz. I gave it this machine 8 megahertz. The memory is 512 kilobytes of RAM. So the device display is the EGA, the display. I can also use the EGA color if I want. This machine does not have a sound card. This machine contains a standard IDE. The FTD1 and FTD2 are just 5.25. I just gave this machine 2 floppy disk drives. Well, it's time to emulate a whole PC, a whole computer. We're gonna emulate the whole IBM PC AT computer. We just give the correct device specifications. Now let's see how it will boot. So let's start the machine. First boot. Configure the screen. Just to start up with the machine. Well, this is the first boot of the IBM PC AT, the computer that we're emulating right now. Okay, we'll try to resume by pressing. Really? What? Are you serious? So I just built this PC. Alright, so this old computer has no operating system on it. Well, this machine is very old, a 38-year-old computer. We're emulating right now a 38-year-old computer, a very old computer, really. So anyways, let me check more information about it. I'm in the Microsoft Edge. Let's go to Wikipedia now. Well, this machine released on August 14, 1984. Look at their own machine. Look at it. It's just okay. Okay, so the wallpaper changed it. How am I? So the disk drive, okay, 20 megabyte. Okay, now I'm going to install PC DOS 3.0 on this one. Alright, so I have installed the floppy disk drive. so it doesn't emulate the noises from a real IBM AT computer. Okay, now let's press Ctrl Delete to restart. Really? F1 key. Wow, look at that. It loaded. Okay, just continue with the data time. The IBM Personal Computer DOS version 3.0 copyright. Now let's install this new PC just now. Where I go? Okay, let me use Fdisk first. No fixed disks present. Alright, so better fix the PC for a bit. I will be right back. Alright, so I used the XDIDE with the 80 support on this PC in order to see something else. Okay, let's put it up again. This thing is too old. I can't believe it. Really, what to say. Let's put floppy. Really? So used it. Okay, so in order for this to work, I'm use the XDIDE now. IDE. XDIDE uses the new feature. It's a new disk feature. Okay, so I'm gonna call it DOS partition. Use the entire. Insert the disk place. Okay, so okay, I will load it. Now let's format C. All data will lose. And look at that. The format has been completed. So we have 212 what the fuck, no megabytes down, none of the done in space. Alright, now let's type C to transfer the system. Yes, system transferred. Now let's click copy. To start copying the files, in order to install PC DOS 3.0. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it that I'm emulating a 38-year-old computer, a 286 PC, a new IBM PC. Is it cool, right? Well, I'm injecting the A drive now from this PC. Alright, let's restart. Let's press Ctrl Alt Delete to restart. Boop! Okay, so good. Okay, so we are using the IXD IDE Universal BIOS, okay. My computer is here. My old computer is here. Finally, I have an old computer emulating on a new computer. Okay, I will boot with this one. Booting for HDD boot. Okay, install PC DOS now. Don't make a joke again. Please don't make a joke. It takes a long time. Don't say you not installed now. Come on, what the fuck? Really? Why does it stuck here? I'm booting on fair HDD. It won't boot now. Control delete. But restart it. Delete it. I should tell Mr. There's a problem with it. Give up.